Hey, how you guys doing? Well, I am stranded here in Nipigon, Ontario, almost for the whole day here because of this weather. It's been snowing since morning, and it doesn't look like it's gonna stop anytime soon. So we picked up this drill rig at some gold mine in northern Ontario. It's about 15 and a half wide and about 15 and a half tall. Uh, so well, the permits don't permit us to be on the road in this kind of weather, and it's not a good idea to be out there, anyways. So, yep, here I am in Nipigon. Well, a few things. It was minus 32 degrees Celsius at the mine. Took us 2 days to get this thing loaded. Everything was a fucking challenge. Oh, pardon my language, sorry. Um, what was it? Yeah, even hooking up the Jeep was a challenge. Connecting the airlines of the rear axle, the fourth axle of the trailer was a challenge. It took me an hour and a half and three pair of gloves to do that, and a whole can of WD-40 and a brake cleaner. A little, I don't know. You gotta. It's just hard to explain. It just took three guys to get the airlines connected. But anyhow, I'm thankful to those mine workers over there. They were pretty helpful. Even the machine that I picked up couldn't start at minus 32 degrees. Wow. The pump motor wouldn't start. I was just pouring hot water all over it and using the blower heaters. Well, good news, the front blower off the truck, just quit on me. So all I have is the heat in the bunk that I use. Anyhow, that's my story. Wherever you guys are, stay warm, be careful. All right, take care. Bye.